Climate change is a campaign which is continually growing in momentum.
Many governments from around the globe are implementing programs to deal with increasing extreme level of weather that the world is experiencing.
Climate change is a phenomenal problem, but why are we experiencing it?
This documentary will give us some views of the total scenario.
Recently, researchers have shown an increased interest in environmental issues, global warming, an increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, and leads to climate change. The controversy about scientific evidence for climate change facts has raged unabated. There are many factors affecting global warming, such as overuse of technology and lack of social awareness. However, it can be seen that the significance of this issue is deemed by humanity, which is frequently observed in our own place, Bukidnon.
This turbulent natural calamity is also experienced by us here in rural areas, especially in some parts of Bukidnon. It is indeed so ironic because actual occurrences of floods is in our highlands. Why? The answer is
there is an unusual increase in global temperature and highlights several causes of climate variations, like increasing greenhouse gases, rising radiation from the sun, and declined volcanic explosion. The study is based on climate models which work out by some experts. CSIRO 2009 found that both inner changes of the nature and external impacts can influence global climate. Specifically, the natural fluctuation can affect the climate system.
the purpose of this documentary is to critically evaluate the statement that technological solutions alone cannot solve the problems of climate change. There are other alternative solutions, such as business people's responsibility, individual responsibility, and wilderness conservation. The change must start within us. Everybody must take part in this problem. But how? San Isidro College High School Department continues its effort to realize its dream to bring back the beauty of nature through supporting Adaptation Park program of the provincial government.
Nature conservation is being integrated in all subject areas, especially in science, values, and religion.
In my own point of view, we need to protect the nature because according to Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, God created human being to be stewards of God's creation.
Issues should be included in the curriculum. It is very important that the students should be made aware of what is happening in their environment. First, they should know that our environment is already degenerating. Second, it is moving in a very fast destruction. Third, it affects human lives, other animals, and plants also. And because of this awareness, students should be able to participate. They should get involved to do something for their own lives, for the lives of other organisms, and also for their future, so that they will be able to help and care for the next generation. And lastly, they are not only aware, they should not only get involved, but they should be able to get the training in some little ways in the school where it can produce something big. Like for example, proper waste disposal. We know that this problem is, we are affected by this problem. We can see garbage anywhere. So students should be trained how to throw their garbage properly, like segregating them. Like this, for example, we are having here the two sets of trash cans where they can put the biodegradable on another can and the other one will be for the non-biodegradable. And also, they can also help by planting trees in their own backyard, in their own lots. And also, in the school, we are trying to train them. Like, for example, this one. They are being taught how to produce ornamental plants by using hydroponics if they don't have enough soil or they don't have enough backyard where they can plant some plants like this, so they can produce like this. And this can help also produce oxygen.
SBO, RCY, and other student organizations bridge up for environmental preservation and preparedness.
Unsa mga programa?
Isip makatabang sa kinaiyahan nato. Kami nga SBO nagabuhat og isa ka programa aron makatabang sa kiniyan kini ang most resourceful class. Kini ang mga estudyante kasumiti og mga botilya og mga papel aron makatabang sa paggamay sa mga kadaganon sa mga botilya ug sa mga papel nga gailabay-labay lang bisag asa.
Mga linog, mga drill, mga ano kinahanglan man nga unsay apply sa Red Cross.
Diba ang Red Cross is part mag-train man for mga emergency response. Kaya for emergency cases, dili man makatabang if magpanic. So dapat kabalo ta we are prepared on what we will do in emergency cases. So that organized atong lihok, mas dagan ta og mas safe kay kung magpanic ta or man tayo mahimo magkalat-kalat lang man ta all over the place. So mas mas organized ta, prepared ta, kabalo ta hata mo adto kabalo ta sa atong buhaton. Iba na ang handa.
San Isidro College is one in this universal campaign, making small things with big difference. We must do our part before it's too late. If we want to live longer in our own planet, we must protect it, or else be ready for nature's revenge.
Nature is gone out of control. It can't do against its natural defense. It really gives anything we want. But because of greed, people ruined its beauty, its existence, its life. Nature becomes an elusive dream. We must act now or be part of its tremendous vengeance.